This is the C05 Tamper-proof smartwatch for criminals or dimensions peoples. As you can see, the unit design is lockable strips. It means only the admin have the right to lock up or opens if required. The others illegals trying to cut off or remove it, the administrators will get alarms on the platform immediately. Some clients or people stay curious or concerns is how strong the strips or how to generate the alarms in time. As you can see, it with a strong sure of the case, and you can see from the PCBs inside of the watch. After the strips put on during assemblings, there in the middles of the strips have the screw. After the strips put on, there also we have to mount two screws. After the back covers put on, it will be look like this. So there have the three screws to ensure have the strong enough the strips on the watch. It's not like the replaceable strips. The second, you can see there have the wires from the PCBs to the strips, to the end of the strips. That means if some illegals to cut off, it will broke the strips, the circuits will not complete. It will generate alarms on the platform immediately. So, in summarize, there have the strong design on the strips, three screws to ensure there have the strong shields to protect people to remove or replace easily. The second, the complete circuits from the PCB to the strips to ensure in time generating the cut off or remove alarm.